Maharashtra government has passed a resolution to suspend 12 MLAs, all of the BJP, for a year. And this is in connection with the abusing and manhandling of the speaker while he was in his chair. Purva joining us at this point. Purva, tell us exactly what's happened and what this is going to mean in terms of matters going ahead at a time when, there's been so much speculation over talks between the BJP and the Sena coming together again, whether those talks have hit a roadblock. Decode all of this for us.
Yes, in fact, to begin with, this happened because the BJP, in fact, in the opposition, has been trying to corner the government over the OBC political reservation matter. Because of that issue, they in fact went to the cabin of the speaker in charge. Remember, Maharashtra Assembly doesn't have an elected speaker just yet. There is a speaker in charge, Bhaskar Jadhav, and the BJP MLAs, along with the LOP, Devendra Fadnavis, and BJP state president, went inside the cabin. And this is all what the speaker in charge told the House, that what exactly happened at what exactly was the incident. And he told that LOP, Devendra Fadnavis, along with few more MLAs, about 50-60 of them, went into the cabin of the speaker in charge. There they started abusing him. They started manhandling him because he did not let the BJP MLA speak over this issue, and because of that there was a lot of heated arguments between them, and in that they even they even manhandled the speaker in charge, is what he's alleging, and he said that this is what exactly happened, and some of the BJP is in fact accusing that it is not them who did the manhandling or abusing, but in fact it is the Shiv Sena MLAs who also were present at that point. But after the incident was narrated in the House, on the floor of the House, that's when the LOP Devendra Fadnavis, he also said in the floor of the House that yes, the incident happened, and they also apologized later about the incident. And after which the parliamentary affair, the Assembly Affairs Minister Anil Parab, he in fact announced that they are passing a resolution to suspend 12 MLAs for a period of 1 year. Now, right now, in fact, Devendra Fadnavis, after this resolution came down along with his BJP MLAs, and speaking to media, categorically denied that it was the BJP who abused, and in fact, it wasn't the BJP who manhandled the speaker. So the speaker also says, the speaker in charge also says that there are CCTV cameras and there are proofs that are available. So if at all anyone wants to probe this matter, in fact, he has also asked the government to probe this matter, and he said that in this investigation, if I'm found guilty, then I will also go through the same punishment that the MLAs are going through right now. But the BJP is now saying that it is all because the government doesn't want to have the MLAs of BJP in full strength in the House. They do not want to discuss the OBC political reservation matter. They do not want to talk about the speaker election, and that is the reason they are trying different tactics to weaken the opposition in the House. This is what the BJP is alleging, and the BJP said that this is not exactly what happened, and it was not them who manhandled, or it was not them who abused the speaker in charge, but it was in fact the speaker in charge who abused the BJP MLAs.
Purva, we'll leave it at that. Thanks very much indeed for joining us with that breaking story.